This question is from the trigonometry and it is of the advanced section. This question is in book D2 of O-level mathematics. The figure shows a triangle STU, this big triangle STU, where TU is 11 centimeter mentioned in the diagram. H lies on TU such that the length of TH is 120% of the length of HU, and angle SHU is 90 degree. SHU 90 degree mentioned in the diagram. Given that the area of triangle STH, the area of this triangle is 21 centimeter square. Find the angle TSU. This is the question. Now let's read this question again and solve the question step by step. Now let's read the question again and solve the question step by step. The TU length is 11 centimeter and the TU such that the length of TH, where is TH? This TH, it is 120% of HU, of this HU. So this is the comparison of length TH and HU. I have written over here as a heading. Okay. So it means that TH is 120% of length HU. So if H is 100%, the TH will be 120%. Okay. And if this HU is X, let me take this X. As the total length is 11 centimeter, the TH will be 11 minus X. Now by cross multiply, 100 multiply 11 minus X is equal to 120X. 1100 minus 100X, 120X, and if we bring this 100X over here, it is 120X plus 100X is equal to 1100, and this is 220X 1100, and X is 1100 over 220. X is 5. And we supposed this as X, so it is 5 centimeter, and the total length is 11. So 11 minus 5, this is 6 centimeter. So therefore, using the ratio method, we have found the length of HU and TU. Now read the next information. Area of triangle STH. So this is STH. Its area is given 21 centimeter square. And we know that area is half times base times height equal to 21. If we just cross multiply base into height, is 21 times 2, that is 42, and the base of this triangle is 6, and the height is not given. We have to find height. Base is 6 and we have to find height. Therefore height is it was 42 over 6, 7. So this h is 7. So the height of this triangle is 7 centimeter using the area of the triangle. Now we have to find angle TSU, this whole angle. So what we do, we will find this angle first. Let me call this angle X, and then this angle, let me call this Y, and then we add both X and Y. That will give me this angle S, whole angle S, which is TSU. So first let me use this triangle and use the SOHCAHTOA trigonometric ratio. The angle here, the side here, it is opposite and this side is adjacent, so I will apply tangent X. The tangent X is 6 over 7 and angle X is tangent inverse 6 over 7. Now by calculator, the X angle is 40.60. degree. So I have found X. Now I'm going to find Y. So again, this is again a right angle triangle. I will use tangent, the ratio, trigonometric ratio tangent again. So it will be 5 over 7. And Y is tangent inverse 5 over 7. So let's use the calculator again. So let me bring here, it is 5 over 7. Just change it, and the angle is 35.54. 35.54 degree. So just adding X and Y will give you the angle TSU. So the angle TSU will be 40.60 plus 35.54. It is 76.14. And according to the Cambridge, the final answer of angle should be rounded up to 1 decimal place. So the final answer, angle TSU, will be equal to 76.1 degree. So this is our answer.